Thanks for joining us here with Chris at Car Cave, Aiken, South Carolina. Our website's Car Cave USA. Phone number is .com. Phone number is 803-262-4742. And we're doing a walk around here of a Land Rover Defender 90. If you need financing, reach out. We work with a variety of lenders. There's some links on our website too. So let's get started on this thing. It's a 1989 model year, manufactured 1990 though. So it does have, it's a 2.5 liter 19J, the Falcon motor, turbo diesel. And it's been stateside. We actually sold it probably 4 or 5 years ago. So it's been in Charleston for a while. Got maintained well. It's, runs out really good. I drove it, we're about 10 minutes from our shop, and I got up to 115 kilometers an hour on the speedometer, and rides out nice. It actually shifts smooth, feels good. It's a solid rig all the way around. By no means is it perfect, but it is a good Defender. So it'll make someone happy. Start looking around here. We did do, so the tires are about 4 or 5 years old. They're a 235 85 R16 Yokohama Geolander MT tire, so you can see plenty of tread depth lift. Did all 4 tires, so didn't really get driven interstate or highway or distance. The owner in Charleston drove it, kept it on road, took care of it. As you can see, what we're looking at here is the chassis. That's one of the most important things to make sure is clean on a Defender. You want to make sure you have a good chassis. A lot of these have rust and rot problems. So you want to look through and make sure these outriggers, the rear cross member, everything through is healthy. So like you see, this one's solid. Does have the step bars here, and then you have light guards up front, off-road lights, which are non-functional. You do have a D-ring hookup. The original 16-inch steel wheels, the front outriggers, and the bottom of the floor pans you can see here. You have a snorkel. I'm not sure if that's just for looks or attaching the airbox. I need to look at that. So you can question me on that one. You can see the floor pan and the outrigger here, and the chassis number that is stamped into it. The front U-hoop, light guards, front and rear. You do have a rear step. Green in color. You do have a moonroof. Now you can see some body damage through here when you look at the paint. It's not an epoxy paint. I don't know what exactly how it was applied, but you can see a little texture to it. So you can see some dents through the hood. It looks like there used to be a bonnet mounted spare tire there. Bulkhead through here is healthy. Going down, it's another place you want to look. This is one of my favorite shooting locations too. So we are in South Carolina. It's kind of this cool little nook back here that shoots well, and it's fun bringing the cars up here because it's a ways up, going through some sand. So these are Alfa Romeo leather seats. It's comfortable, rides good. The seating height isn't too high. It does shift good, spools good, starts good. We did do a new injection pump, or rebuild, I'm sorry. We did a rebuild. You have a phone mount there. You also have a power port, USB, Exmore trim console. You have your fire extinguisher, your jack. You have a battery shutoff switch. We'll go under the hood for you too. At some point there's a new turbo put on it. Like I said, we just did the injection pump we found it leaking, so we put a rebuilt one in. See that there? That's it. There we are. So usually injection pump rebuild is pretty costly, so we've already headed that off for you. You can see the turbo there. At some point that was replaced. You see a little sound deadening that they did around the firewall. And the chassis tag right there. look. Down in here is also important to check for rust. All right, we'll go over the driver's side. The side windows are replaced instead of sliders. These are fixed, which I do like. The sliders start to rattle after a while, so it's kind of nice to have those. And it's easy to get in and out of. The seats are comfortable. Like I said, it's a pleasant drive down the road. So I tapped the key already. Glow plugs. And she kicks up. See the fuel gauge working, temp gauge working, speedometer is working, odometer is working. We'll go with lights here. Make sure I don't roll downhill and the parking brake will hold for us. It is holding. That'd be excellent. Get on camera with it rolling downhill on me. So it sounds like old 19J Falcon diesel. There you are. You do have a rear trailer hitch. The side step, they move, so it looks a little odd. See, kind of cockeyed over, but that is because of trailer hitch, so they made it where it mounted to the side. You do have a rear tire carrier, rear defrost or wiper. So I have my dealer tag in here to make sure I'm legal. Like I said, there's a moonroof, headliner, jump seats in the rear. There are seat belts for all the jump seats. The excellent trim leather console. So you see the seat belts there. You have some carpet in the back. Somebody's redone this door panel. So a good sound, nice Defender that is looking for a good home. So like I said, it's been stateside for 5 years. It's been maintained here. We did the first round of maintenance, and then we just ran it through a shop. But we didn't go deep in on the maintenance. We just made sure that runs, drives, starts, stops. We didn't start diving in real deep, just because the price point here. But it is a good unit. That's a bug on the glass, so the windshield doesn't have any nicks in it. So we do have a variety of Defenders. Usually we're in the shop so we can give you a walk around and see the entire place. But I want to film out here today, so we'll walk around so you can see a little more. And our inventory is normally about 25 Defenders. So we have a good variety if you're looking for a 300 TDI, TD5, V8, you need yours modified, you want something done to this, just ask us. We have a full service shop, whole team of mechanics. We are well versed in Landys. See that dent here on the hood. So like I said, it's not perfectly straight. Look at the door bottom for you. But it's sound. According to the previous owner, he never had any major issues with it. He did a little bit of maintenance over the last 5 years. It's been on the road, driving around. So you want a driving video, you want some undercarriage, you want to see anything else, you have questions, reach out to us. We're available. It's carcaveusa.com. Phone number is 803-262-4742. My name is Chris. If you've made it this long, thanks for watching. Hopefully, this is your Defender. So, like I said, reach out if you have any questions. Appreciate you tuning in. Have a great day.